A lovely move-in ready home that has been nicely remodeled and offers gleaming hardwood floors, a large living room, dining room and sunroom with French doors, full bathroom which has been remodeled, brand new kitchen with new countertops, new appliances, built-in bookshelf, crown molding, tile backsplash and more. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms all with pine floors, a second remodeled full bath and a full walk-up attic. There is a full basement as well with new washer and dryer. The home has new vinyl siding, a new HVAC system, newer double pane windows, updated plumbing and electrical, a lovely privacy fenced rear yard with porch and patio and a whole lot more to offer. Resting on a quiet street within walking distance to the park, schools and downtown Winchester. Totally move-in ready and turnkey, won't last long.